We are all living in difficult times. 28 million Filipinos live under the poverty line. More than 600,000 are unemployed. Are you part of these statistics? You have to take control of your life. Only you can seek the right opportunity. Only you can make the right choice. Only you can create a lifestyle of time and financial freedom. Welcome to Clicksters Philippines. Clicksters Philippines is an international network marketing company that has helped thousands of Filipinos here and abroad to make their dreams become reality.
Clicksters, to me, started as a dream, a vision with a purpose. The purpose is to radically change the system approach to leverage marketing so that all of us in Clicksters will really enjoy true financial and time freedom. A 1,000-mile journey begins with one step. We had taken that step as we start our journey towards worldwide recognition and success. To one and all, let us toast a common pledge. In Clicksters, we will succeed.
Clicksters Philippines boasts of having a wide range of highly beneficial products, from home care, healthcare,
Patuloy po siyang sipon ng sipon. Hindi ko nga po alam. Every time na nadaling ko sa doktor, meron siyang resetang gamot. So after po nun, nagsawa na po ako ng kabibili ng gamot. So dun po sa Amazing Juice, tinry niya po yan. And after 1 week po, nagtatake po siya. Meron pong lumabas na nasal discharge. Nagulat po ako, about 1 inch size po siya, na talagang lumabas po dun sa ilong niya. So, nung in-examine ko po siya, hindi po siya ordinaryong mucus lang. Pinatingnan ko po sa doktor na friend ko, sabi niya po, polyp nga po yun. So, amazing po siya kasi hindi po siya talaga basta-basta lalabas kung papainumin mo lang siya ng ordinary water. So, dahil po sa powerful ingredients po niya na meron siyang aloe vera, meron po siyang moringa, meron siyang barley and wheatgrass. Isa po ako na nagpapasalamat. Very blessed po. Aside po dun sa kinita ko, talagang hindi ko po ina-expect yung power nung binigay ng Amazing Juice.
and innovative inventions.
Mula nung inilagay namin yung negative ion lamp, hindi na inaatake weekly yung anak ko. Actually, ngayon 3 months na ako dito sa Clicksters. Pero wala na, hanggang ngayon, wala nang asthma attack na experience dun sa anak ko. Simula nun, in 3 months time na nandito ako sa Clicksters and we're using yung negative ion lamp ni Clicksters, hindi na inaatake yung anak ko nung asthma niya. So, very effective talaga yung negative ion lamp.
In addition to Clicksters' remarkable products, Clicksters Philippines also offers a lucrative global business opportunity. You can share these products to the world easily through online business transactions and Clicksters Philippines' unique and innovative system facility, while earning through an industry-shattering integrated points marketing system. What's more is that Clicksters Philippines compensation plan is both proven and profitable.
Napakaganda ng opportunity, napakaganda ng compensation plan. Akalain mong 3 lang sa kaliwa, 3 lang sa kanan, kikita ka na ng $277.
Mabilis yung pagbalik ng ininvest nila. Sa maliit na halaga, only 4-5, so pwedeng kumita na doble at matriple.
Sa call center before, medyo okay na din naman yung kinikita ko. Nagto 30 to 35,000 na ako. Nung nag-start kami dito sa Clicksters, May 3 of this year, nagulat ako kasi on my first week, kumita kami ng 8,000. Tapos yung susunod na week ko, nag-22,000 na ako.
Unang linggo pa lang, kumita na ako ng 14,000 pesos. So, kung i-compute ko sa loob ng isang buwan, halos 60,000 yung kinita ko. Unang buwan ko pa lang yun. At ngayon, magdadalawang buwan na ako, nakita ko yung kaibahan nito sa pagiging empleyado.
On top of everything, Clicksters Philippines also provides world-class benefits that make life enjoyable and a whole lot easier. Truly, Clicksters Philippines is a company with a big heart. It puts the ease and comfort of our lives first. Throughout its existence, it has given more than ample service not just to our members, but also to our less fortunate brothers and sisters.
Ang maganda dito kasi, hindi tinatanong kung saan ka galing or kung ano man yung educational attainment mo. Dito sa Clicksters, lahat tayo pantay-pantay.
Ang maganda rin dito, paaral ko ng sarili ko, pati mismo yung girlfriend ko, usually nagbibigay-bigay na rin sa kanya. Pati rin sa bahay namin, sa nanay ko.
At masaya yung pakiramdam na marami rin kaming natutulungan at nabubuksan na opportunity.
With Clicksters Philippines' lucrative compensation plan, you can now create the lifestyle you've always dreamed of. Transform your life and experience more. More life, more luxury, more time, and financial freedom. Experience more and transform your life with Clicksters Philippines.